Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I am so excited because it is my journal planner lineup for 2021. Now I've been doing this video third time now, and I am excited to share what I got, and also I always like to talk about what I currently use and give it a review just in case you like what I'm currently using. Now, so I'm going to start with that. Also, some of these were birthday gifts that I already unboxed, so you already saw. So I'll just briefly go over those and then go to the other stuff that is new. Alright, so for 2020, I use Joe Fellow. It is a company, a small company. Unfortunately, it looks like the company has been affected by the pandemic because they have not stocked since May. So I had bought the envelope journal, which as you can see is still in great condition. They still have the logo on the bottom here, and it survived the wear and tear all the way up until the end of October is when I started using something else that I got for my birthday. I love how it wears. I think one of the things about leather, I love when it can have that old wear and tear look but still in good shape, and it did that. The booklet that it came with, tops one of the best booklet ever. Can't really show you because it's full. I literally wrote from the first page all the way to the very last page, and it had the pocket, the leather, soft. Oh my god, it was like the best. It was 120 GMS paper, so it held up good. You can paint on it. You can pretty much all fountain pen worked on it, and I didn't have any problem. Unfortunately, it also couldn't refill it. So at the end of May, I had to resort to another brand, which is Daily Paper. So Daily Paper I really like as well. It was about the same quality as in 120 GSM, and so I liked it. It was more pages. This one I think was 160, but the spaces were smaller, so you can actually write more on one page. And this one was 180 page, but the spaces were wider, so it turned out that they ended up being kind of like the same amount that I could write on. And this one I wrote from the 20th of May till October 20th, so they're both around the same amount of time that it took me to finish. Then I got this cover from Daily Journal, I think. I'm going to put it here, just so I don't want to get it wrong. But I love this cover. So this is the cover I got for my birthday. And then I had this charm that I put on there, which is a charm of a book. I love this charm. I forgot I have a lot of cool charms. And I put this on there, but it didn't come with a charm, but I put it on there. The book that I'm currently using, I would not recommend, so I'm not even going to talk about it. It's the page. I don't have a problem with thin page. I have a problem with thin page that cannot handle a lot of different pen. So as in like fountain pen, I was able to get away with Lamy, with Signature. I think that's what the brand is called. I put it here. The Japanese fountain pen was able to work on this, but I had like two other pen that bleed the heck out of this page. Like, it just bled. So meaning you can't try and paint on it. Oh, and I couldn't stamp. Like, I have a lot of stamp, and since I started using this since end of October, I haven't been able to use a lot of my stamp directly on the page. I have to like stamp something else and then put it on here, and that was disappointing. I never had that problem with the other two books, so that's why I wouldn't recommend the book I'm currently using. So I'm so glad that I'm only using it to the end of this month, and then I will move on to the new stuff. So that is journal. I also was using this journal, and this journal absolutely love. It is where I put all the books that I've read. I've journaled in here, all my blog ideas or blog topic. I put in here all my YouTube topic, including vlogmas. I have a vlogmas ideas that I put in here as well. This is like my everyday book. I love the size. It's supposed to be A5, but I think it might be just a tad bit smaller than A5. But it fits everything, and it's a leather, vegan leather, of course. So far, all year I've been using it since I actually started using this from the end of December of last year, because I started the year with my goals for the year in here. What I could say is, the only issue that I saw, but I like, because like I said, I like when leather has that wear and tear look, is that you get a little bit this wear out here. It didn't tear, just wear and here. And that's it. Other than that, it survived with no problem, and I'm still using it to the very end. So that's for the journals. Planner. Ooh, I am currently using Happy Planner, and I didn't realize how much I needed a planner till this year, because I always think my memory is really good, and then I started forgetting things, and it ended up being not a great idea. So this is an amazing planner. I use it literally every day, where I jot things down and make sure, including a bill, including just my social media stuff as far as the blog, YouTube, personal things that I need to do, errands I need to run, all that stuff I put in here. But I was also using it for my budget, and also I didn't really keep up with as much because I think I just wanted to start fresh in January, where I'm gonna budget, keep a track of my spending habit in here. Also, fitness. I have a section where you can put your fitness, you can put what you eat, but and this kind of like what it looked like, and where I able to what I ate for the day, if I worked out, if I didn't work out, I will put it in there. But unfortunately, when I recently, a few days ago, I stocked this with all my 2021 planner pages. So I have right now from December to December of next year in here. I realized that it can't fit everything. So I had to choose between the fitness and the budget, and the budget one. So the fitness I have to take out, and I'll tell you what I'm planning on doing with the fitness, which I was going to do anyway, but then when I got this particular thing, I realized I wasn't sure what I was going to use it for, and then I realized, yeah, I'm using it for that. So let's talk about what I already unboxed. So I did get this case where it's just an easy travel case. I've started using it where you can just fit your, you know, journal in here or whatever else, zip it up and keep it pushing. And so I love that. I got for my birthday. These are just extras. So for next year, I will be using the Hobonichi Day Free. And I have a Day Free, and I have an extra notebook. So these are just extras that I would need throughout the year once I finish, because I typically finish every 4.5 months. So this in here is what I am currently going to be using. I also have a lot of pens, and I have fountain pen. And then I didn't realize I had got 2 fountain pen, not one, because I was going through the box and I realized there was a second one in here. So now I have 2 fountain pens, Japanese, and I like them. They're fine print, so they'll work well in this. So for here, this is what I'm going to be using for 2021. This is my journal. So I love the cover. I did not get a cover to cover, so hopefully this doesn't get too dirty. But I love this, and I started using the calendar part just to test out the paper, and I love it so far. And it's basically yeah, I did a little bit of decoration and stuff, and just to see how I like it. And this is a pencil board that I got for it because it's recommended, so I decided to get it. And so this is what's gonna be what you will see on my Instagram when I share my layouts and stuff. And this is a first time. So I'm trying something totally different. Hopefully it works out in my favor. But yeah. So I'm keeping it in the box for right now until the first. So we're gonna move this out the way. So let's go to the other stuff. So we're gonna start with these. So guys, this is my 2021 book. So it is the same exact book as this one, the 2020, but now it is 2021. I just love the color. I wanted something a little brighter, and I'm just gonna be definitely continue using this. This is just works for me. So, and if it works, why change it? Just change the color. So that's exactly what I did, and this is what I'm going to be using. So then got another one, and this one says a journal mood on this. So here's the good stuff. This is the giveaway. I typically don't put giveaway in my title, so if you're watching this, you know, and you're interested, there is two. So if you are interested in these, let me know. I think they're a great journal. The paper works. If you write with fountain pen, the Lamy is perfect on this page. The Japanese fountain pen is also perfect on this. But there are some other pens that don't work well with this. But like I said, this is what I use for my idea. I call this my idea book, my idea journal, my tracking my books journal. And I know a lot of you guys read a lot, so this is good for that. And that's what I use it for. So the only rule is that you follow me. In the comments, say enter me, and then put a social media handle. If you have Instagram, put your Instagram, or if you have Twitter, put your Twitter, because that's how I'm going to contact you. It's just easy for me to jump in your DM, let you know whether or not you win, and I usually let you win before I announce it to everyone. So 2 people enter, let me know, and you can add this journal to your lineup for 2021. And if you're new and you never heard of Journal Mood, it is a journal challenge that I host a few times a year. I have one coming up at the end of this month. It will be from Christmas Day, December 25th, and all the way to New Year's Eve. It's a 7-day challenge, and I will have more information about it soon, but that's why you see the Journal Mode. That is something I host. Then here we go. We have journals. Now, this is at this time. If my mother's watching this, stop watching. Okay? Stop watching. All right. So, I got these new journals that I've been loving. I gifted these for the Journal Mood Challenge. I had a giveaway on Instagram, and these are what I gave away to one person. And they also have these Journal Mood one, but they had them in gray. I wanted to just do a different color for Instagram. So these are notebooks, and these are much thicker paper. These are, I believe, one is 120 and one is 100 GSM. Let me slide it out. And I think they're both different texture on the cover. Yes. Oh, they're both different texture. One is very blingy. It's shiny. It's probably not going to show up on camera good, but it's very shiny, and the side is shiny. And this is an A5 notebook. It has the jacket in the back. It has the strap. And it's just beautiful. And this is going to be both for my mother. as well as this one. This one's a little matte texture, but it has a shiny sides. And my mom writes a lot. She also journal. I got into journal more, and she goes through a lot of notebooks. So I decided to give her 2. And why she's getting 2 is, hold on guys, I gotta flex my legs. Oh, here we go. Switch to side. All right. So this one is from Gallon. It's a leather company. So I have opened it, guys. So I'm excited. And oh, it's a Turkish company. So there's Turk tea. So this should be nice to try these teas out. And this is cool. This is a charm. So they gave us a charm, and there's a story behind them here. So yeah, not happening. Guys, let me try again. Different position. Oh my God, why did I sit on the floor? Guys, the workout I did yesterday, I'm feeling it. That's another reason why I'm so uncomfortable right now on the floor. This is pretty cool. So I'm gonna try these tea out. All right, so for these, although they have a cover, I just know that's not my mother, that's not me. I'm gonna do the fancy thing. So, oh my goodness. Oh guys, it's my first time seeing it. Wow. Guys, this is a leather cover. And wow. So let me cover this because my mom's initial is on it. I had it personalized with her initial. And she might not want her initial out there, even though you guys know my initial. If you read the Oprah Magazine feature that I did. Oh my goodness. This is really thick. I mean, this is thick. Wow. So it has sleeve here. Here you have a pen loop. You have 2 areas that you can put things in. You have here. You have this that you can also use as a pen loop. So, but the band is serious, guys. This is thick, very thick. And it's in 2 ways that you can use it, but clearly you can put a tablet in here and your journal, and it's supposed to all fit. So let's see with her book. Wow, I'm struggling to do that, so let me not even. Let me just use one of the straps. And then okay, so it looked like I have to figure it out. Gotta figure out the whole system here. Alright. So that's my mom. Guys, this leather is really, really thick. Like compared to this, this feels very thin compared to this. This is really thick. So yeah. And then this one is mine. So I like the Hobonichi cover, but I know me. Because I feel like that cover is gonna be dirty in probably 2 months. So, and also I'm a leather cover girl, so I had to get myself one. Ooh, my leather is a little different. I know it's supposed to be different, but ooh, mine has that worn out look. So this is mine. Alright. And it's the same setup inside. And it has the pen loop and system here, here, and here. And oh, this is just, oh, this is gorgeous. And it has the wear and tear. Like I said, I like old, worn out looking leather. I like what my leather look like. It's been around the world and back. So this is pretty cool. And I also have my initials. Alright, so let me put these back in the box. Alright. Last item is the latest that I purchased. These were gifts. These I purchased. So the first thing is I have this cover to cover, and this has accessories. So I decided to get a bunch of accessories. Did I really need it? But I just wanted it. So I have I got an extra band because the way the cover is for that current one, it doesn't have, let me show you. There's no strap. It's like you have to loop the pen in, and I figure once this gets thick, once, you know, towards the end when it gets real thick, it might not close like I want it to. So I got one of these to just pop over it. I got a bunch of stencil, and they all have themes on there, and this is what I'm going to be using for what I'm going to show you in a few. And so I got 3 different kinds of stencil and 2 different type of pencil board. This one comes with a brush pen and 1 more of these. I think I have about 4 of these now. These are the pens that it comes with. And this is what I'm going to be doing when I say in my planner. I'm no longer going to put my fitness and my eating tracker. It's going to be in this weekly. So this is a weekly that I purchased with that intention of using it for my food intake. So it has the calendar. Ooh, it started this month. The weekly started in December. Yeah, so I can actually start using this. So I'm glad I opened it. So we'll see. Ooh. I don't know why this is not coming. Oh, did I? Oh wow, it's on it. Oh guys, I thought this was a tape. This is actually, I thought I bought it all black, but I guess not. But it's not a tape, guys. It actually comes on there with a stripe. So I don't know how it's gonna look with my cover. No. So it does look weird with the stripe. I don't know why I thought this entire thing was black. But guys, this is this animation that I don't know, but it has the food stuff on there. There's bowl and cup and all that and food. So I think this is just perfect for what I'm going to be using this for, because this is going to be going everywhere with me. It's going to be tossed in my bag. And the goal next year is to track everything that I eat, and also to put in my workout for the day as well in here. So that's the goal for this. So I'm excited. Yeah. And I'm going to test it out already since it starts from this month. Surprise, surprise. Didn't know that. And then the last item, which I saw and I was thinking, yeah, this is my setup that I want to do. and that is this 5-year journal. So I got the smallest one, which is the A6, because I'm not going to be writing in this in terms of like this long life like I usually do in my journals where it's 2 pages. I want this to be the highlight of my day. And the way this one works is it's a 5-year. So every day, so for instance January 1st, so you have January 1st 2021 all the way to 2025, and each day you can just highlight whatever you want to use it for, and in here you have an extra page to add anything that I want. I'm not going to do a lot of adding to this because I don't want it to be like burst to the seam, because it's a 5-year, so it's 5 years of things that I can write in this small journal. And I was so excited when I saw this. I thought this was a brilliant idea and something I can reflect back on. I think the first year is not going to be that interesting, but as the years goes by, you know, when you get to, especially when you get to the bid, you know, 2023, 24, 25, it'll be good to see each day compared each year and how it works out. So I also got a cover, because you just have to have one. And there we go. So this is the cover. It's supposed to be able to handle dirt, so I'm supposed to be able to wipe it off if something got on there. So let's hope that is the case. And it has a pen loop, so I love it. I love the size. I'm so happy I went with this and not a bigger size. But this will be interesting in 5 years, what going through this and seeing all the highlights and the low points of each day. So yeah, so that's it, guys. I don't know how long this video is, but I'm excited to use all of the new stuff. And yeah, let me know if you tried, you know, Hobonichi, if you're a fan. Also, you know, if you ever did the 5-year one that they have. And yeah, so I am gonna end this here, and thanks for watching. And again, if you're gonna enter, and have a good day, guys. Bye. Ooh, let's hope I can get off this floor. My legs are hurting from yesterday workout. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.